Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Well, Amadi from Bahasa Inggris in Panama Sumbut. I'm coming back to make a video. It becomes our agenda, I think. Make a video on YouTube, and inshallah you want to support it. Our YouTube channel is Belajar Bahasa Inggris dengan Bahasa Inggris. Yeah, inshallah our channel will be better, inshallah. Our YouTube channel, right? Yeah, this morning I'm gonna try to respond to a question. I think there is a question about have a lot of vocabulary words but cannot speak English. When the case is have a lot of vocabulary words but cannot speak English, I think, wow, I get confused. Yeah, mostly when we have a vocabulary words, I think there is no problem. But when the case have a lot of vocabulary words but cannot speak English, I think it's not about cannot, right? But I just think about maybe, yeah, someone is really hard, I think, to share or to speak their mind, maybe like that, right? Yeah, honestly, it's different, my friend. When we just write, I think we can write everything, right? But when it is talking, wow, it must be different because everybody will look at us, right? Everybody can comment on, yeah, maybe our ideas and so on, right? Yeah, maybe I saw that one. It's not about somebody cannot speak English, but they feel nervous maybe, so that they cannot say anything, or maybe they can say, but yeah, maybe doubtful or nervous and so on, right? It's something normal, my friend. Even when we know everything, we know we have a lot of vocabulary words, but it will be different when we're talking about speaking, because we will look at someone, we will also, it's like listen to someone, where there must be sometimes a different with something in our mind, right? There will be a different opinion and so on, but again, it's something normal. If we want to be better, I think, yeah, we have to try, I think, my friend. We have to try to use that vocabulary word. You also like it when you said that you have a lot of vocabulary words, because not all of people have that one, right? So I can say that, wow, you just practice it, and the result will be great, I think. Okay, I think that's it, my friend. Practice your vocabulary words. Practice your, to use that vocabulary word, and inshallah, yeah, you'll never feel so nervous when you have to talk, right? And I don't want to use the term as you saw before, cannot speak. I think impossible someone cannot speak when they have a lot of vocabulary words, right? It's just feeling nervous, I think. Well, I think that's it, because as I told before, everyone, I have class this morning, and have a great day, everyone. Amadi from Bahasa Inggris in Panama Sumbut. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.